It's a nice one. Look at that. Big old fat catfish. It's a mess over here though. Man, it's a mess.
You're a mess.
Man. Choking on a bug. Yeah, gum.
Good. I hope you choke to death.
That's a...
Help!
He is 7 pounds. 7 pounds and 8 ounces, almost 8 pounds. Nice fish.
That tickles.
Stop it.
You stop it. You should learn some boundaries.
Third fish, not decent catfish.
Decent. Better looking than you.
This right here is a channel cat. Badly. Oh, look at that. That's a nice catfish right there. That's got to be at least 10 pounds. I'm going to weigh them out. 9 pounds, 15 ounces, almost 10 pounds.